Greeting teacher. We are from Team 6 presenting about our project attendance record system. Uh, Here's our team. We have Camille, Litane, me Sati, Supetra, and Mr. Dara. And here's our overview. So as you know, recording attendance by hands will take some time. That is why for the case of using this project is to have the ease of use and to save time. Attendance record system using camera is better suited if there are a lot of students or if there are a lot of employee. And here's objective. Litay, could you move to objective? Yeah, we are going to detect and recognize face in real time using the computer vision libraries, record attendance data accurately with timestamp for the identified person. The system will provide a GUI interface for easy interaction and management of the attendance record, providing statistical insight of the patterns of attendance and export the attendance data to a CSV file.
For scope, users focus on face detections and recognitions, and we also scope with designs GUI, and we also add in integrating the feature of exporting with CSV, and we also support for user can add, edit, and delete, also improving on performance. And for the next slide is about a library. So for library, we use a, a Tkinter and custom Tkinter for GUIs, and for CV2 and peers, we use for image processing. For attendance data, use data time, date times, and for import, we use a CSV, and for file modification we use OS. And last but not least is office recognitions is the one of important model that we need to use for our projects. So the next part I give to my friend to handle it.
There are.
Oh, oh, good, good thing, teacher. My name is Dara, and I'm going to talk about methodology. So for our projects, uh, we we require the processors that have Intel at least Core i5 or higher, or even better with the AMD Ryzen 5, and the RAM is at least 8 gigabytes, and it really recommend for for the 16 gigabytes. For the storage, we require at least 10 GB of free spacing for storing attendance records and images. And the camera is better with the HD webcam, that it works better for the face detection. For the operation system, it works for every operation system like Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Which one you prefer? It works with all. For programming language, we use the Python 3, that the last test version of Python. The development environment, any Python IDE like PyCharm, VSCO, Jupyter's Notebook, or Anaconda. And we also use additional tool like PIPS for package management. And this is the system architecture, or we could say in another word, system functionality that we have in our system. One, we have face registration, that users could register their username and with their face to our system. We have the real-time detection that allow user to detect their face with the cameras and attendant recording that the system itself could record the attendance of users by scan their face. We have the statistic display like dashboard that could display all the data uh, about attendance, and we also provide the CSV spot as well.
So for the user interface, we all created with the library Tkinter and all the library custom Tkinter to add some buttons and color to the UI. Then we added the possibility to choose the event starting hour to add some statistics about the event attendees, like who is early, who is late, and who is on time. And we also, for more readability, we also added some icons to have a better visibility and not a lot of text. For the challenges that we had, the first one was that sometimes the model wasn't detecting faces because of low lighting. So one of the solutions for this challenge could be to use an external camera with better quality. But the other solution was to pre-process the frame before the model recognition. Then for the second challenge, it was that when a lot of people were at the same time on the camera, the model had some trouble to detect different faces. So this solution was to increase the model tolerance to allow more recognition. And the last challenge was the performance of the model. So when sometimes on some computers the model was very slow and low frame per second. So the solution for this challenge was to use CV2.CUDA to accelerate the system integrated GPU.
Okay. So for future enhancement, we working on, like, if we have time, we're going to improve our programs, our program. So if we have time, we're gonna integrate with a database for like courses, time or section, and which one is absent and which one is not. This is we going to work on with the database, and we gonna integrate with web-based application for better UI, and we can use it for with internet and use anywhere by accessing through the web. And we're also going to have an option for the program to select the cameras they want to use for better quality. So we're going now. Now we're going to demonstration. So as you can see, here is our Python code. We're going to put that code into our report. So here we have camera at the right side. We have attendant and statistic at the right side, and we can click on here to manage the people. As you can see, we have already have people we added, and we can also select more people uh, from this. And I could say add him with his name. It's gonna create the name with the extension of PNG, save it into the folder called list people. So after we save, we can see that, and we also can edit the checklist, the list people right here that we just added, Mr. Petra, and we can rename that. Example, we could rename Petra update right here, and if we click save, okay, Okay, so and we can also click on Mr. Petra and we can click on edit. So if we delete, and if we delete also the Petra file Petra right here gonna delete too. So it's easy for managing the people. And also right here we can set the time. So as right now our time is 11 o'clock. So if we put it 11 and start it at 11 o'clock and we click save, 23, click save, and then if I open the camera right here, so as you can see here, we have the total attendance and late attendees. So for attendance, we can see right here, this right here, this is my name and this is the timestamp that it check-in. And we also export it as CSV attendance right here. If I click save onto desktop, it's gonna save right here. So if we check this export file, we can see the timestamp and the name. So right here is my name with the timestamp that I check with also with seconds and the date. So uh, this is the end of our presentation, and thank you for attention.